y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in this video I have this 13x4 24-inch Waterwave wig, 180 density, and it was sent to me by Yolova hair. Reached out to me, asked if I wanted to review this wig, and I said yes. They said it's 180 density and it's 24 inches, but honestly I don't feel like this is 180 density. This feels more like 130, maybe 150 density, but it's definitely not 180. And y'all know we keep it honest over here. This is an honest review. They did send me the hair, but the review, the thoughts, all of that is my personal feelings on this wig. The wig is really nice. I bleached the knots, and I've had to bleach them twice because like I just had a very hard time bleaching the knots. Like they would not bleach, and I don't know why. I don't know why, but the knots wouldn't bleach. Other than that, the wig is really cute. It's not wet. Well, it's about 95% dry. Yeah, all I did was spray it with some water, and I added a little bit, just a little bit of mousse. The hair is beautiful. Like the hair really is beautiful, but it's just not very full. It's more like a natural density, so I'm not gonna complain. The hair is beautiful. All right, so now we're just jumping into the installation. So this is the box that it came in. This is how the wig looks straight out of the box, out of the package. It did come just a little bit pre-plucked, and I did pluck it some more, and I went ahead and I bleached the knots. So now I'm doing the bald cap method. I'm still new to this, still new to applying wigs, but yeah, I'm doing the bald cap method, and then I'm going to put makeup on the bald cap to, you know, make it my skin color. I didn't have the usual products that I use when I do the bald cap method, so yeah, I kind of struggled because I didn't have the makeup that I usually use, but it's okay. Right here I'm taking a cotton pad and alcohol, and I'm just removing any makeup and oils that I have around my skin. This will help the wig to glue down better. I went ahead and I put makeup on the lace also to tint the lace, and then I'm going to apply the wig off camera because I used Ghost Bond glue, and this is actually my first time using actual glue. I always use, you know, got to be spray, or the got to be glue gel. I always use that, but yeah, this time I was like, you know what, let me try something. Let me use lace glue. I wanna get better at laying my wigs, and yeah, so here I am styling it. Also, you guys, if you like this hair, they did give me a discount code for money off. It's SIMPL. Everything will be down below in the description box where you can get this wig, the details, the discount code, the website, their Instagram, all of that will be down below in the description box. So don't forget to check it out, and check out their Instagram, their website. They have some really nice cute wigs, y'all. And yes, those are my lashes in the background. Don't judge. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram @_dismiss, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.